What is this?
Vinegar.
What is this?
Soy sauce.
What is this?
Salt.
What is this?
Brown sugar.
What is this?
Pepper.
What is this?
Chili powder.
What is this?
Cumin.
What is this?
Sesame paste.
What is this?
Ketchup.
What is this?
Mustard.
What is this?
Mayonnaise.
What is this?
Cooking oil.
What is this?
Olive oil.
What is this?
Rosemary.
What is this?
Cinnamon.
What is this?
Bay leaf.
What is this?
Star anise.